It's a bit wet out here.
Welcome to OpenTX.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is day 3 of Paxember. We're doing another little line of sight flying. I figured I would chat a little bit about a recent video from xjet. Well, actually 2 recent videos from xjet, and his thoughts on the FAA and the AMA, and that you have to follow AMA's rules or you're committing a federal offense. What do you think about that? You think we're committing a federal offense flying by not following the AMA's rules? Oh, dang it. Let's see. Or is xjet just stirring up drama? I mean, letter of the law, he's probably right. Now, will that actually work out in practice? I don't know. It's kind of hard to say. But I don't know. Anyways, let me know what you think about that down in the comments. I don't want to dwell on it too much. I mean, my personal opinion is I really don't care what they do, because I'm going to keep flying like I always do. Get back here a little bit. There we go. Oh, my flying this morning's not so great. I'm a little... I need to loosen up here a bit. Let's see here, let's see. Ah, there's a couple rolls. Oh, I don't know why. I think my drone freaked out there for a second. This one's been acting up a little bit. Oh, it's been, I think one of the motors is acting up. I need to look and see. Oh man, poor GoPro. I think I'm not recording on you. I think one of the motors is acting up on, let's sit down this way. That's a lot of water there. Don't want to spray any more water in there if I don't have to. Let's see. That seems okay. And it like desyncs, or it like just stops. I don't know if it's a motor or if it's the ESC. I don't think it's the ESC, but it could be. That's part of the reason why I'm doing some line of sight flying with it. Alright, let's see. I need to work on these like flying. I'm good that way. I want to get better at that stuff. There we go. It's a tree. Ow. Let's see, which way my face? Oh, I'm gonna go on the ground. I lost track of which way I was pointing. That's all I was saying yesterday, is the key with flying line of sight. Orientation's one thing, but it's really just knowing, keeping up with where you're pointing at all the time, so that you know what it's doing. Otherwise, it gets real easy to get screwed up when you get, especially when you get out away from yourself a little bit. Like that way, super easy to. Oh, that's a nice tight one. Oh, I just broke my GoPro mount. Oh, that's not good. Dang, those things don't last. I gotta come up with a better way of designing those. Oh, that was a hard whack there, Stacy. That was a hard whack. Look, these things, I gotta come up with a better. I tell you what, I've been getting prints here lately from Brain 3D, and they're disappointing me. They're not holding up. Now, is it my design or is it the print? Could be my design. 100% definitely could be my design. But I think they're trying to print them a little too fast, and it's not getting the same quality. I used to get really good prints from them. I've always been happy with the stuff that I get from Brain 3D, and I'm not throwing them under the bus by any means. But I'm not getting the same quality. I mean, some of them, you know, turn out pretty good, and then some of them not so good. See, look at that. I mean, look at the back of this thing. That looks terrible. And I've had other prints from there with this same model, so it's not just, that's why I'm saying I don't know, is it my design or not. I think he's just trying to get stuff out a little too quick or something, maybe, I don't know, and not getting the same print quality. Or maybe the material he's getting has not been as good, you know, with all the cuts and everything. I don't know. I mean, maybe that's it. I don't know. This would be fun to fly with this way. So I don't know. I mean, generally pretty happy with the stuff I get from there. Usually really good. I mean, he's pretty picky on his prints usually, and he's pretty picky on the models and how they're made and stuff. So, you know, I'm not throwing him with us. It's just been, I've had a few that's just like they broke like that when, oh, it's a bit lighter now without the extra 80 grams. I can tell a difference actually. I can't tell where my front is sometimes out that way though now, so that's all right. Oh, don't want to. I got a little too sideways there and bailed it. Oh man, that probably bent. Well, you can't see it now. But it was bent good. Oh, wet grass in the morning. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Oh, I'll say some more. I'm good. Should probably make sure that battery's looking a little, it's hanging out back. It is hanging out back a little bit from that hit. I think it'll be alright. Definitely tail heavy right now. Oh man, that was a hard hit. All right. drone racing speed there, that high tilt.
20 seconds.
I can't tell which way I was facing. This belt. And you can't tell. Sometimes it's better just to bail before it gets away from you at that distance. It's super easy to make a really bad mistake. Oh. All right, here's something I haven't done. I've got a little bit of juice left, I think. All right, let's slide this guy up a little bit. All right, let's try some here. All right, we're going to try. Oh, that probably is bent. All right, I think it's all right. All right. All right, we're going to try proximity. This is going to end badly. All right. This is probably going to end badly. Oh. Okay, let me get out from it a little bit actually and do it this way. Come at it a different way. Not starting inside of it. Man, it is wet out here. Alright. Alright. Let's see. All good. I'm trying to tell. The trick with this. Don't do that, Stacey.
9.
Let's see here. Trying to get my bearings on which way I'm facing here. Everything. Alright, we're going to try.
5. 3.
Oh, man. Oh. Freaked it out when I hit that pole there. Alright, I can get this. I'm being too scared doing this. Just gotta do it. Just gotta do it, Stace. You just gotta go. I got a little bit of juice left. Gotta try to power loop that. Oh, I was too low. I wasn't paying attention there. I was going in nicely. Oh. Alright, we're gonna try this again. I got a little bit left. I can get it, I know I can. From right here. I know I can get it. Oh man, my shoes are wet. That grass is wet. Oh, it's so wet. Alright, here we go. And oh, the side of it. Oh, into the ground. Ah, man. I think I still got some juice left. I'm flying this way past the, oh, that poor prop. That poor prop. All right. He's like warbly. Warbly. Oh. Oh, right into the pole. Oh. I think I freaked that woman out over there. Oh. Look at that. Oh. Right into the pole. It's all good. Oh. It's all good. Am I lined up? Alright, let's just try this thing here. I know this is cheating, but you know, hey, you gotta start somewhere, right? Let me get back in the spot. Try it again. One last shot out here. Okay, I give up. Oh, that's all I need to be. Maybe I'm not gonna give up. I got just a little more juice left. I don't know. Oh, that poor battery coming loose. Oh, my poor antennas. Everything. My poor quad. My poor quad. Oh, boom, boom. Oh. Alright, let's try this one last shot at it, maybe. Boom, boom, boom. Uh-oh.
Telemetry recovered.
There we go. Okay. I think it's alright. Alright, we're going to try this again, but this time I'm going to do it from the side. I think it's safer from the side. It's just hard to tell when I'm going through it. Alright. Let's hook this guy up here. Okay, I was on that. Ow! Oh! Clip the tree. Oh! Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Oh! Poor quad. Poor quad. I'm putting you through the misery today, huh? Putting you through the misery today. Gotta get this. I think I got enough juice. I ain't really been pushing it hard today. Oh! Oh, I was way off to the side. Right into the thing. Okay, I quit. That's it, guys. I give up. It's time to call it. Time to call it for today. He looks okay though. I think he's alright. I think he's alright. Oh, not into that. Ah! You can see I don't like to give up. I'm not one to give up too easily. But I think it's time. I think it's time. Make sure he's okay. Yep, all good. Alright. Let's unplug it here. Alright.
Critical.
Boom, 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 boom. Take this guy off here.
Telemetry lost.
Wow, 20 minutes. Oh, that's going to take a long time to render. Oh, you guys have a great day. Enjoy my misery. Man, it is wet out here. So wet. Anyways, hope you guys have a great day. And I will see you guys back here tomorrow for Paxember day number 4, and I might actually try to do a little FPV tomorrow. Maybe. I don't know if I'll have. I don't know. We'll see. It might not be another line of sight day. I don't know. If I gotta fly early in the morning, it'll probably be a line of sight day because I'll probably put my contacts in. So it may be another line of sight day. This bums me out though. Didn't get it. I tried. I did get those tornadoes down pretty good though. They were doing pretty good. Those real tight orbits, like near vertical orbits. That was looking pretty good. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.